Hi, I'm Alyssa and we're going to be making brown rice with the Instant Pot today. I love this recipe. I use it constantly, especially for meal prep. I think it goes good with almost anything. With steak, with salmon, with shrimp, with chicken, with whatever you want it to go with. So let's get started. You need 2 cups of brown rice. After the rice, we're going to put in 3 cans of chicken broth. It's a little bit more than 32 ounces. You kind of want it to be 2 cups of chicken broth per 1 cup of rice. That's the ratio. Now we're going to put in, this is chicken bouillon flavor. The rest of it. See, I like it. I used it all. Okay. And some Montreal steak seasoning. You can get this from your grocery store. I like it because it has salt, black pepper, red pepper, garlic, onion, sunflower oil, natural flavor, and paprika all mixed in one. It's just like this universal flavoring. Now you cover it, close it. You heard it lock, it doesn't move, it's sealed. Then you put the vent on, what does that say? Sealing or something? Yep, down the middle, okay? This is when it vents, this is when it's sealed. Now you click manual, and then you can see I had cooked something else. Put it on 27 minutes, and you just wait, and it does its own thing. It, you know, pressurizes and all that. So after it pressurizes, it stops saying on, and it's gonna have the countdown of the 27 minutes. And once those 27 minutes are up, it will start counting upwards, and you will be able to release the vent, and we'll talk about that later. So once this beeping happens, that means it's done. The numbers are gonna start going upwards, like 1, 2, 3, 4, that way. You just want to press this to where it's venting. You can do it pretty quick. You can be safe and get a spoon, but we live on the edge, so. At this point, you're gonna smell some really nice chicken smell. It has a really nice like aroma to it. It'll fill your kitchen for sure. It's been about 4 minutes. All the pressure's been released. There's no more steam coming out. You don't hear any sound. Make sure that you're not trying to open it beforehand. I mean, this is a pressure cooker. It's gonna do its own thing. So when the steam's coming out, you're not gonna be able to open it, but like, don't even try. Okay, so open it up. It's safe to open. You can see the rice in there. Ooh. Smells so good. I like this rice. It's cooked well, tastes good, it's full of flavor. Sometimes with rice can be super bland, but this one has a really nice flavor to it. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you got all the way to the end of the video and you're seeing this, please subscribe, like, comment, and if you try out an Instant Pot recipe, you know, just post a picture and tell us how it went. Thank you.